there, my minions. Tone Dog barking at you again. Another dog of the dead. And this is, I think, the third of my Butte ones. This is Rocky Butte. I think it's the one I said I was gonna do next. And this one's excellent because just to where it's at, it reminds me so much of a castle. And right there, that's Mount St. Helens. And you get Portland down over here. But this is good old Rocky Butte. Yeah, Rocky Butte here is, well, it was one of the projects in the 30s commissioned by the government to help bring us out of the Depression. And a couple of them in this area were Rocky Butte and Timberline Lodge. And legend has it, my grandfather, Henry Griffin, my father's father, he owned a trucking company, but he had a lot to do with hauling a lot of these rocks up here. And so I guess this has somewhat of a personal touch then. And we used to come up here in the day and on the 4th of July and watch the fireworks because you could see them in every direction. You know, you could see them all the way out to damn near Sandy. You could see them in Portland, see them all the way out to Vancouver. You see them down there to Oregon City, stuff like that. But if you look right now, so why East Mount Hood right out there. Beautiful mountain. Beautiful day to see it. But anyhow, I always liked it up here because it always reminded me of a medieval fort. Oh, and I guess I should mention also that right down there used to be the Rocky Butte jail until they built 205, which is down there just a little farther, and that goes through, so they tore all that stuff down. But that's another part of this Butte that is just kind of history of Portland. We got our, that's a light tower to make sure the planes don't fly into us here, because we're about 800 feet or so, I think. But here's the way to drive up if you must, but I don't think they'd let you at the moment. But we'll look out this way now. The last view was looking out towards the east, and over here, up that way towards the west, towards Portland, and then down here a little bit further. But a lot of the trees are in the way. No big deal. So anyway, now this is just big kind of a dog park, and people walk their dogs and ride their bikes and do all the fun stuff that people do up here, see? So it's a beautiful day in the Pacific Northwest, Portland, fucking Oregon. And this has been Tone Dog barking at you from up here on Rocky Butte, Portland, fucking Oregon. And I hope you're having a good day. Keep the faith, my minions. Have fun. Oh, see, there's Big Dog saying hi. Hello, Big Dog. And pet the dogs. And make sure you keep smiling, no matter what. See Mount St. Helens over there? Right there, Mount St. Helens, man. All right, peace, my friends. Tone Dog out.